Then there was trouble. Thomas biffed the truck too hard. It rolled forward and disappeared into the mine. "Cinders and ashes," exclaimed Thomas. "Where did that truck go?" Thomas rolled forward and peered inside. It was very dark. "I must finish the job," he huffed. "I'll soon find that truck." And Thomas puffed into the mine. It was very dark. Thomas was happy he had a bright lamp. He saw the truck rolling away. Then it disappeared around a bend. "Bust my buffers," puffed Thomas. "I'd better go after it." The slope was very steep. Thomas whizzed down it and clattered around the bend. Up Thomas whooshed and down he whizzed. "Whee!" Thomas whistled and "Whoa!" he cried. It was very scary, but it was very exciting. Thomas had almost caught up to the truck. "You won't get away from me," he whistled happily. But Thomas didn't see the junction ahead. The truck whizzed down the right track and Thomas sped down the left. Thomas had lost the runaway truck. But his roller coaster ride was so much fun. Thomas soon forgot about the truck. Then there was trouble. The tunnel ahead was blocked. "Oh no!" cried Thomas. He applied his brakes, but it was too late. Thomas crashed straight through the blocked tunnel. With a mighty splash, Thomas landed in a pool of water. "Oh, frizzling fireboxes! This tunnel is flooded!" he gasped. It didn't feel fun anymore. It felt scary. "I wish I was back in Great Waterton," he wished quietly. Thomas drifted slowly forward. There was nothing he could do. "Cinders and ashes," Thomas gasped as he floated along the tunnel. He tooted as loudly as he could. "Help!" he cried. But there was no one there to hear his whistle. "No one will find me now," Thomas wailed. "No one will want to find me." The next morning, Stanley, James, Gordon, Percy, Edward, Henry, Emily, and Toby had arrived for... His boiler was cold. Up in the hill. "We miss you," he whistled. With it, suddenly, in the dark, the river was back. The river was rushing, and Thomas whooshed with it off into the darkness. Suddenly, he crashed through a thick wall of bushes. He flew across a ravine and hit the ground with a bump. Thomas slid down a hill. Trees and rocks were everywhere. "Help!" Thomas cried. At last, Thomas slithered to a stop at the bottom of the hill. He was stuck. Thomas saw he had landed next to an old track. "But how am I going to get onto it?" he cried. Thomas could do nothing but wait and hope. Stanley had looked everywhere. He couldn't find Thomas. Soon he would have to go back to work at Great Waterton. Thomas was thinking about Great Waterton. He thought about the tower, and the moment Stanley's truck smashed into it, and the tower tumbled down. I wish I hadn't made Stanley pull all those trucks. I didn't like him doing my jobs. And now look where I am. I'm a very silly engine. Puffed sadly. Thomas wished he was back with his friends. Stanley had to get back to Great Waterton. I'll blow my whistle one last time, Stanley wished, and he whistled loud and long. This time, Thomas heard the whistle. It's Stanley, he gasped. With his very last puff and his very last huff, Thomas blew his whistle as loud as he could. Stanley heard Thomas. Quickly, he reversed back to the branch line. Thomas, he whistled happily. Is that you? Thomas had run out of puff. He couldn't whistle again. He could only wait. Then Thomas saw Stanley chuffing around the bend. Stanley, he cried, I'm very happy to see you. Thomas, whistled Stanley.